about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Alright guys, so we're here at the North Cicio Performance location in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I know you guys don't get to really see what goes on up here a ton, other than if you follow their Instagram, which is Cicio Performance North. So you should go follow their Instagram. But I'm up here doing some training with the guys, so I wanted to show you kind of the shop and what's going on up here. So this is Jan. Everybody probably knows Jan, the general manager of our North location. And he's got a lot of stuff going on in the back, so let's go back there and check it out. So we've got quite a few cars here. We've got a smaller location here. I think total is about 4,000 square feet, but they turn out a lot of cars and they do a lot of work. Jan keeps it all sharp. So let's just go over a few things that are going on here, Jan. What do we got? We've got an R33 up on the left.
Yeah, we got an R33 that's doing some bolt-ons, HKS turbo kit, intercooler, fuel system, AEM standalone, some general maintenance stuff too. So.
Yep. All right, where's that car from?
Maine.
Okay, so the guy sent it down here for Maine. Took the motor out of it. We're doing, you said cams and other stuff as
Cams, turbo kit, clutch,
turbo
fuel system, AEM Infinity.
Yep. All right, so we've got an Evo here that we're just finishing up. Just doing an AEM on and going to tune it. What's this car here? What are we doing?
This is a C800 car that came back to us. He's going to do trans upgrade. He's got plans to build the motor, but he wants to do it in stages, so he's doing the trans upgrade at Shep 1K.
All right. So we took the transmission out, sent it to the Shep. Sweet, awesome. This, I know this car. This is a car that we've got in Florida, the customer in Florida. It's quite interesting a lot of times, Jan, because he's from Florida, he's got a lot of really good friends down there, and they'll send their cars directly past my shop to his shop, which I don't really know how I feel about, but I'm just going to be okay with it. So, yeah, this is a 4-1 build with a Shep Trans and Motec and the whole 9 yards. This is an awesome build from Florida. So, and then if we come on out here, this side of the shop is a little bit more storage. Been working on it. So this car here, what are we doing? This is a full build, yeah?
Yeah, it's a full build. It's already had it's a Pro 1700 build. The customer already had the turbos. He had to have us redo the engine. We did a stage 5 trans. Motor just got back, so we're working on putting that back together and back into the car.
Yeah, so the way we do it is they'll take the long block out of the car, leave it a sealed long block, and we'll send it to us in Georgia. And then I have my head tech who does all of our engines, you know, take it apart, we send it to the machine shop, get it done, bring it back. He puts them all together, specs everything, makes sure everything's within spec, times it, puts it back together and sends it back up here. And that's not because these guys aren't skilled enough to do that work. It has nothing to do with it. But on the bigger engines, I like everything to be done by the same person, so it's done the same way over and over again. That way, if we have any type of failures, we can go back and we can change that thing right there with the same person every single time, so it's important to us. So this is Jesse's car. Everybody knows Jesse's car. It's just here to get some axles put in it and a fuel system. So this is a little bit of a cluster again, because this is the storage side of the shop, so you know, don't judge us here. You know, they come out of this side and go to that side and get work done. So this is actually the engine for the R33 that is over there on that left. This is Jan's car, because evidently I store Jan's car now, so I don't. We just won't go there right now. All right. So this is a Porsche. We're doing what, a C900?
C900, yep.
Yep. So this is a full C900 kit, which is our turbo kit. I believe you already had intercoolers.
Already had intercoolers. We're doing an RMF kit.
Datsun clutch.
Yep, doing a 10-plate Datsun and trans brace as well.
Right, and he needs a Motec.
Correct.
All right, so this guy back here, this is a unfortunate young man who had a rod come on the side of the block.
Yes.
Yes. So we took
a full bolt-on stock turbo car.
Full bolt-on stock turbo car, and unfortunately he had some issues with the motor. Rod came out the side of the block, and we are going to rebuild it for him. Then just a 997 project we're doing. That's a full built motor, turbo kit, fuel system, the whole 9 yards. Just due to a lot of COVID stuff, that's been a really hard thing to get finished, because they needed a crank from Germany and all this stuff that we just couldn't get because of COVID. So we're trying to work through that the best we can. And then we got 2 orders. I don't even know what they are. Tell me about these.
Yeah, this is another C100 car.
Brian Reeder's
Yep,
car.
this is Brian Reeder's car. He also decided to do the trans. He actually already has the built motor gateway, so now with the trans, we'll basically have our C1000 package.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
Trans actually just showed up today.
Oh, it just got back here today, so we'll probably start on that here in the next couple of days and get it back to the customer. And then
This is another customer that had a different shop, built the car, had some issues, so he's deciding to have us redo the motor. He has a Pro 58 turbo kit, already has a, can't remember what trans, we already have a built trans, so we're basically just doing the motor for him.
awesome.
It's on a Motec.
All right. So yeah, let's go out front. There's a couple of more. I just want to give you guys a little tour and a heads up about what goes on here at the North shop. So basically, I wanted to bring you out here to show you this one and have Jan tell you about this. This is a customer that we just did the transmission on, and he's we're going to get his car back either this weekend or next week. But this car here, why don't you tell them? This is another one the guy shipped directly past me in Florida, right past me. I waved and went directly to the Virginia shop. But that's awesome. So yeah, tell us what we're doing with this one.
It's a 2020 720S. Customer actually decided originally to do just downpipe exhaust and a tune, but we decided we're going to do a turbo kit for it. We're going to do some intercoolers, and basically run it on E85 as well.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. This is going to be a cool deal. This is going to be a full billet CHRA Zona rotor turbo kit setup for the 720. It's going to be, I believe, the first of its kind.
I believe it should be the first one.
Yeah, so this is going to be really exciting to tune and to see just how much power it can make and how fast it can go 60 to 130. So we're pretty excited about it. So yeah, we just wanted to give you a little heads up on what goes on here at the North shop. You know, a lot of people, like I said, they don't get to see the inside workings of the North shop because there's not as many people, or they don't do blogs up here, or vlogs, or whatever the heck these things are called. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of take you guys around and give you some insight on the fact that this place is cranking, doing tons of work. They kick out tons and tons of cars, and they do a great job. So, Virginia Beach, Virginia. So, thanks guys. Until next time.
Appreciate it.